Donage, Senior Vice President, India and South Asia for Rolls-Royce Defence, has confirmed to India Global Week that company is close to announcing a partnership to co-create a new engine with India. A tweet put out by India Global Week reads, "We are planning to change the game, close to an agreement between two governments to co-create a new jet engine. India will get the IP." The vision of Rolls-Royce for India, Louise Donage, Senior Vice President, India and Southeast Asia Rolls-Royce. In 2017, India and UK had agreed to cooperate on developing advanced defence products such as the gas turbine engine, which was confirmed by the visiting UK Secretary of State for Defence Sir Michael Fallon. Kaveri project, which was shelved due to lack of desired thrust levels achieved, was to be revived with help of France, and GTRE and Safran Group were working together till price steep developmental cost quoted lead to the fallout of talks. India and the US also had formed joint working groups on jet engine technology and carrier technology under the Defence Technology and Trade Initiative (DTTI), but it was later dismantled after several rounds of talks failed to break the deadlock over transfer of technology of the core section of the engine, which India was demanding from the US. GE developed the F414EP engine, which generates 116 kilonewtons of thrust. Class was supposed to use as a base to co-develop a new engine of 110 kilonewtons of thrust class to power India's 5.5 generation Mk-Mk2 fighter jets, and later also NTEDBF and MWF Mk2 aircraft. F414INS 6 single-engine variant developed for MWF Mk2 aircraft will also be used in TEDBF and Mk-Mk1 variants. Rolls-Royce offered to use a new core design to co-develop a new engine that will use a new larger fan with high distortion tolerance and surge margin designed by DRDO, along with an afterburner module designed jointly by GTRE and Rolls-Royce. New fan developed by DRDO also has stealth features and anti-icing systems, which are much suited for modern 5th-generation fighter jets. The new engine core will not be based on the framed Eurojet EJ200 low-bypass turbofan used as the power plant of the Eurofighter Typhoon, which was co-developed with Rolls-Royce technology, but due to multiple IP rights ownership in the Eurojet Turbo GmbH consortium which builds them, core proposed will be designed from scratch with IP rights with India. Rolls-Royce claims that the new engine core will be more advanced than Eurojet EJ200 core and will feature its new thermal signature management, which with new DRDO fan will be used to cool both the turbine as well as the exhausted air. The engine will feature a more effective starter generator for effective use in the varying Indian climate conditions, and the dry weight of the engine will be less than 1 ton, with core and fan hardened to operate in the dusty conditions of India. Gas Turbine Research Establishment (GTRE), Indian Rare Earth Limited (IREL), Mishra Dhatu Nigam Limited (MIDHANI), and Bharat Forge are some of the proposed public-private sector companies which will play a vital part in the development 110 kilonewtons jet engine, which will be headed by DRDO Rolls Royce Jv.